Pick your poison. Plus, it's ASD. The kids are going to miss out on that much learning in one day. God knows I wouldn't have.
You have any updates?
According to the radar, we're turning peak.
Well, hang on a second. And now, our continuing coverage of Snowmageddon 2013. Antarctica will be lifted and dropped on North Texas. This means large icebergs the size of the Titanic will be dropping from the sky. And now, the weather with Dan O'Malley.
It is here. The winter storm warning that we told you about yesterday, that was issued for all of North Texas, including the Dallas-Fort Worth area, from Thursday evening through Friday afternoon. Technically doesn't start till 6 p.m., but it's starting now. As far as this afternoon, obviously cloudy skies, breezy and cold. We'll have the light rain developing. In some northern DFW counties, such as Denton and Collin, some freezing rain and sleet has started to accumulate. We'll have near steady temperatures, winds out of the north 10 to 20 miles per hour. Then tonight, any rain turns to freezing after midnight. Ice accumulation of a quarter to a half inch is possible with a low down to 26. As far as tomorrow morning, obviously what falls overnight will more than likely stay frozen because the high for tomorrow was only going to hit 30. Prepare for the worst. It's here.
Oh, you laugh. But compared to what the TV stations are doing, this is really just
I know, I feel like 100 did. I'll do better next time. I'll go more doom and gloom.
Oh, it's all right. We've got like 9-10 different weather opens for it.
Oh, goody. Each one with increased severity.
Yeah, it is.
At least it's going to be for me. I have no idea what you have in store.
The last one that'll play at 6:50, whenever we do the last weather, is this. And now, our continuing coverage of Snowmageddon 2013.